Good morning guys, welcome to another video. Today I am going to be filming my morning routine. So by this time I have hit the snooze button like 3 times and Mia has already crawled into my bed, so I just love to cuddle with her first thing in the morning. And then I will just check my phone and check my emails, comments, all that kind of fun stuff. Self-promo right here. If you guys haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, that way you guys are notified and you won't miss out on a video. So after I'm done with that, I just like to cuddle a little bit longer with Mia. She loves to be cuddled in the morning. And then after that, I will just head into the restroom to start on my skincare. Giving it a little stretch, and wow, that light is so bright shining through the window. I said light, actually sun. I like to tie my hair back and put a little headband on and get to washing my face first thing. And I have been loving the Olay towelettes lately. I believe there's actually different kinds and I forget which ones these are, so I'm sorry. But you just give it a little rinse and it soaps up and it actually exfoliates your face at the same time, and it doesn't strip your skin or anything. I just really love these. It's so convenient, so easy just to pack in your bag if you're on the go. Then after I am done washing my face, I like to use a toner, and lately I have been using 2 toners, and they're both from Target. The first one is from a brand called SW Basics, which is a natural toner. It has organic apple cider vinegar, which I've heard is great for acne, and I can truly tell you it has worked on my skin. And then I'll go in with a brand from Thayer's. I hope I am pronouncing that right. If I'm not, I am so sorry. But I have the rose petal one and I love it. It just smells amazing. It kind of wakes you up. But it's just all natural ingredients, so I will definitely leave them down in the description below so you guys can check them out. And then I have been loving this eye cream from Target as well. It's an avocado oil plus argan oil. It has brightened up my under eye area and it has smoothed it out. I see less wrinkles and less puffiness. I truly believe that this is a great eye cream for a great price at Target. Then, of course, like everybody else, I have to brush my teeth in the morning. I cannot go without brushing my teeth. And then I will put on a moisturizer. I have been using this Clinique moisturizer. This is a trial size. And then I will go in with the Skin Active Moisture Balm just because that one has SPF in it and the Clinique one doesn't. But I've been loving the Clinique. It definitely leaves your skin hydrated throughout the whole day. And this is my final skincare routine in the morning. At night it's a little bit different, so if you guys would like to see a nighttime routine, definitely let me know. And by this time Max is awake and I love to go in and cuddle with him as well, just to see how his night went, if he had good dreams and all that mommy mushy stuff. And then he will ask for a glass of milk as well, Mia, so I will go into the kitchen and get them a glass of milk. That is normally their breakfast. They're not very big breakfast eaters, so normally a glass of milk will do for them until about like 10 or 11, and then they start getting hungry and wanting lunch. And of course, mommy has to have her coffee, so I cannot go without coffee. That's the first thing I have to do is drink coffee to get me fully awake and ready for the day. Then while I'm drinking my coffee and the kids are drinking their milk, I will go in and try to get some work done, whether it is editing a video or uploading clips or anything like that, and more emails. As you can tell right now, I am editing my video and trying to get that all ready for you guys, which actually it's already up, so if you haven't seen it, definitely go check it out. So after that, I go into the kitchen and start making some lunch. Just a small lunch because it's just us 3 kids. I did have the day off from work and my husband didn't. He actually had to go to work, so that's why he's not in this video. But normally I would just do something small, just some eggs or toast, but today Max wanted some hot dog weenies with eggs, so that's what I did. I just call the kids in to come eat their breakfast, and after they are done eating their breakfast, I realize they have left a mess, and I left a mess in the kitchen as well, trying to cook everything. And lately I have been loving this Miss Meyer's multi-surface spray, and it's in the peony scent. Oh my gosh, I love this smell. And not only that, the smell lasts for a while. I actually went to run errands after this. I came back and opened the door and it still smelled like it. It's amazing. You guys should go try it out. But I just cleaned around the kitchen, wiped down the counters, the table, and mopped the floor. So by this time I have realized it's already almost midday, and so I decided to go ahead and start getting ready for the rest of the day, going to run errands. So I am just putting on a primer from Makeup Forever, one of my all-time favorite primers. And when I go out and run errands, I normally don't do a whole full face of makeup. I just do my eyebrows, and right now I'm just filling them in with the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Pencil. And then I will set them with my Benefit Cosmetics setting brow gel. So since I normally don't do foundation, I will just go in and do a little bit of concealer. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, which is a light coverage, but it covers just enough for those days where you don't want to wear a full face of makeup, you just want something to cover up a little bit. This is perfect for those days. So even though I did not put foundation on, I still like to wear bronzer and blush and a little bit of highlight. So I am using the Sonia Kashuk cream bronzer, and I'm just going to blend that in with my beauty blender. And then on top of that, I will go in with my Physicians Formula bronzer. It is a powder bronzer and it smells amazing, let me tell you. I love the shade. It doesn't make you look all muddy or anything like that. It's a very pretty shade. Then I will go in and do a highlighter. I love having that glow on your face, and I am using the Cover FX drops. And I just put one drop on each cheek and then just blend it out with my finger. And then after that, I will go and kind of blend it in with a wet beauty blender. And then I will just put on a little bit of blush. I am using a Tarte blush in the shade Party, which I am almost completely running out of, and I need to go pick up another one because I love this shade. Very subtle, but you can still see it and it's beautiful. And then I just go in with a big powder brush and just kind of blend everything together. Make sure there is no harsh lines, and that's it for my face. I will just set it with some setting spray, and I'm using the Urban Decay. I know I didn't put a whole lot of makeup, but I still like to set what I do put on my face. And we can't forget the eyelashes. I am just going to curl my natural eyelashes. I normally don't use falsies on an everyday basis, so I just curl my lashes, and then I use my favorite mascara, which is the CoverGirl Total Tease mascara. I've been using this mascara for about way more than that, about like 6 months, ever since it came out, let's just say that. And it has never done me wrong. It separates all my lashes and it gives me that eyelash fake look, which I love. And then I would just throw on a comfy outfit. I have this shirt from Marshalls, which I love. I love the ruffles on the side, and just some jeans and a Puma hat and my Converse, and I'm all ready to go. Got the kids ready, changed them, and we're heading out the door. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!